This ties into my next question, which is based on your movie Always Kabhi Kabhi.
Oh
So
God, yeah.
for those who don't know, so you directed a Bollywood movie, Always Kabhi Kabhi, under Shah Rukh Khan's Red Chillies production company. So
Guilty as charged.
in in the past, but it was based on this hit play Graffiti, which had starred Gaurav Kapoor, Cyrus Ahuka, Sameer
Everyone.
Kochar, Neha
Neha
Dhupia.
Dupia.
You launched
Oh my
pretty
God.
much.
Yeah,
This is
that entire lot.
this is a
You
whole.
guys owe me.
Yeah. So when you spoke about the movie, you mentioned that one mistake you made in the past was that you tried to contemporize it, and currently you were talking about replicating experience. So my question for you is, how tough is that line? Because on one hand, it feels like nostalgia can paint a picture that probably did not exist because it was your childhood or the 90s, obviously, in your college days and just coming out of it. So you have this rose tinted glasses for the 70s, 80s, and the 90s. And how do you differentiate that objectively? And then the second challenge is, and especially for someone who's in experiential marketing and events as well, is that biggest challenge is to make it as adaptable and can make it connect with the most amount of people, make it as modern as possible, make it fresh. So you have these two ends of the spectrum. How do you make that call that maybe this should stay in the era it was in?
Yeah. No, so I think it's a very good question because how does a classic remain a classic, right? And look at it, right? When people have tried to reinterpret a particular film and it's been done 4 times over, and every time you turn and say, but oh my God, that was better, or this, or my generation's version was better, because it fed into or it dialed into things that you used to respond to. Now, what happened with the film was exactly this, that in 97, if you went and watched the play, and even today, if I replicated that same script and made it, I'm absolutely certain I would have opened by saying 1997, right? जो छिछोरे ने किया था, right? He smartly did it. He took you back, right? When Rajkumar Hirani did Three Idiots, he again took you into an IIT that was universal. So what happens is that when you're making cinema, you are stuck between the specific and the universal. And most Bollywood, which is star-driven Bollywood, actually tries for the universal. You know, हीरो की एंट्री ऐसे होगी, वो 2 गाड़ी पर अजय देवगन एंटर करेगा, ठीक है? देखो अब अभी तक लोगों को याद है, अक्षय कुमार विल हाथ के बल चल के आया, उसने 50 लोगों को मार दिया, मिथुन ने करा. So the star system of Bollywood requires you to do universal things that make the star system. You know, there'll be a gesture, there'll be a dialogue, there'll be a look, there'll be a color, there'll be a heroine, a damsel in distress, blah blah. Those were classic tropes,
The template. Yeah.
templates.
Yeah.
And when you try to make something small and something intimate, which is the film I was trying to make, we got stuck in trying to make multiple people's visions. मुझे कभी कभी लगता है कि मेरी अच्छाई मेरे डायरेक्शन के रास्ते में आ गई, इसलिए because शाहरुख and I used to sit and he would tell me, ऐसा भी कर सकते हैं, ऐसा भी कर सकते हैं, ऐसा भी कर सकते हैं, ऐसा भी कर सकते हैं. My producers sat and said, you know, Roshan, producers sometimes have far more of a box office पे क्या होगा, box office पे क्या होगा, you know, Roshan, romance चलेगा, ये चलेगा, तो उनके बेचारों को ये होता था. Now, this is where very often a director needs to become a bit of a thing that I find very difficult to be, which is a dictator. It is my way or the highway. तो बहुत राजकुमार हिरानी के बाद मुझे one or two my friends had told me from the sets, संजय दत्त ने बोला था, because Arshad is a good friend of mine. So when they were working on मुन्ना भाई, वो संजय would come and do हो गया, and Rajkumar Hirani would turn and say, नहीं, one more. So Sanjay Dutt would come and do things his way, right? Because that was Sanjay Dutt. But Rajkumar Hirani wanted to make him do what he wanted. So he would keep making him do till Sanjay Dutt realized कि जब तक मैं वैसे नहीं करूँगा जैसे राजकुमार हिरानी बोलेंगे तब तक ये मानेंगे नहीं.
Yeah.
So he actually changed his way and said, okay, I'll do what you want. And the minute he would do that, Rajkumar Hirani would say, okay. So he learned how to beat down someone's view to make it their view, and look what a beautiful view he has. After the first movie, Sanjay Dutt would never question him again because he said, this man knows what he's doing. Cinema में बहुत ये होता है. Cinema is such a, you know, top of the rarefied atmosphere that when you get to that top, everyone is trying, there's little oxygen and everybody wants it. तो उसमें क्या होता है ना, लोग देखते हैं कि क्या आप अच्छे क्लाइंबर हैं कि नहीं. एक सीनियर एक्टर जो है ना, Satish Shah, again, a person I really admire and love, and he was in my film as well. You know, he turned to me and said that, Roshan, ये पहले दूसरे दिन ना एक एक्टर भाप लेता है कि डायरेक्टर कितना जानता है. So an actor will walk onto set and turn and say, should I stand here or should I stand there? Now the actor knows that this is a better place because of this reason, because they've learnt it in 50 films. A director who's first timer may not know. So they are testing you on that time. And what happened was that I got into my achai mode. I said, no, what Shahrukh is saying is right. तो इस सीन को ऐसा कर देते हैं. Then this scene I'm 100% convinced of, इसको ऐसे रखते हैं. इस चीज को ऐसे. So you started, and I often said this, don't try to client service your creativity. Don't try to do that. And now I've become a little bit of a, and I'm sure you'll have to bleep it out, but there's no other way of saying it. You have to be an asshole sometimes. You have to just turn and say, नहीं, ऐसा ही है. क्यों है? ऐसा ही है. क्यों? ऐसा ही है. तो ये आपको इतना, बिकॉज यू नो, मैंने एक पोस्ट लिखी थी लिंक्डइन पर, एंड मेनी पीपल रोट बैक टू मी सेइंग, यू नो, व्हाट अ ट्रू थिंग. फ्रैंक कापरा की बायोग्राफी है, इट्स कॉल्ड द नेम अबव द टाइटल. अंशुमन महाले, हु वाज वन ऑफ द सिनेमेटोग्राफर्स ऑफ माय फिल्म एंड अ वेरी डियर फ्रेंड, हम लोग फिल्म की कलर करेक्शन कर रहे थे. एंड मैं इतनी बार स्टूडियो में बैठ चुका था, और कहीं पर आपको ना फीलिंग हो जाती है कि यार ये नहीं हो रहा है, ये नहीं वर्क कर रहा है, ये सीन खराब हो गया, ये क्यों डाल दिया. आपकी दिमाग में इतने स्कॉर्पियंस होते हैं ना, डसते रहते हैं आपको पूरी रात. That process is crazy. And one point I remember that the color correction guy said, you know, this tint or this tint. And I said, जो करना है कर लो यार. And Anshuman turned to me and said, you will never bloody say that. And I was like, यार ये मेरा cinematographer है, और मेरा दोस्त है, और ये मुझे ऐसे बोल रहा है. He says, you realize that the name above the title is yours. कल ये लोग ये नहीं बोलेंगे कि ये इसके कलर करेक्शन वाले ने करा था, वो बोलेंगे रोशन अब्बास ने करा था. और तब तक बहुत देर हो चुकी थी. तो मुझे इतना बड़ा लेसन फिल्म के खत्म होने पे मिला कि अब जब मैं फिल्म बनाऊंगा तो कभी नहीं भूलूंगा. सो व्हिच इज व्हाई आई मीन, यू नो, आई एम स्टिल इंडल्जिंग माय क्रिएटर सेइंग अब जब मैं बनाऊंगा तो ऐसे. बट दैट्स व्हाट हैपेंड. सो इन ट्राइंग टू कंटेम्पोराइज अ नैरेटिव आई न्यू रियली वेल टू से 10 साल बाद नहीं, या तो उस कहानी को छिछोरे स्टाइल में बताना चाहिए था कि 10 साल बाद, या 3 इडियट स्टाइल में कि 20 साल बाद. वो गलती जो थी, वो मिस्टेक हो गया. अभी भी मुझे, जब मैं फिल्म देखता हूं कभी बार, तो मुझे उसमें कुछ सीन ऐसे लगते हैं कि ये तो अभी भी बहुत ही खूबसूरत है, उसमें बहुत बड़ी बात है. अली फजल क्योंकि उस फिल्म में था और मैंने उसके साथ बहुत काम किया, एंड यू नो, अली से मैं वो चीज़ें करा रहा था जो अली शायद जिंदगी में कभी नहीं करना चाहता था, यू नो, रोमांस एंड डांस एंड व्हाटएवर. लेकिन मैं उसके साथ बैठ के वो कहता था कि बेटा, जिस सिस्टम में तुम आ रहे हो ना, उसमें ये सब भी सीख लो ना. तो वो खुशी थी. तो इवन टुडे व्हेन वी मीट, हमारे वो रिलेशन, अब्बा, एंड ऑल ऑफ देम कॉल मी अब्बा, सो आई एम लाइक, अब्बा अब्बा बेचारे जगत गुरु, आ जाओ बेटा, आ जाओ, यू नो, व्हाटएवर. बट देयर इज अ जॉय टू दैट मीटिंग, एंड देयर इज अ जॉय टू नोइंग दैट वी ट्राइड समथिंग. और व्हेन आई सी Zua, and Zua was a girl who it was the first film, she had a lot of thoughts in her head, क्या हो रहा है, Satyajit, all these people. So I really feel that at least in some way, I think my talent lies in nurturing talent. So I will continue to do that, and I think that's where everything else happened, and commune happened and stuff. So somewhere I'm very grateful for that experience. But yeah, guilty as charged about the fact of, do not try to suddenly take something you know really well and try to contemporize it. I don't believe in that.
It is challenging because, like I mentioned, you might have a very positive outlook of the 70s and 80s because of your childhood. But politically, for India, it was a very turbulent time. Mid 70s, we had the emergency. Mid 80s was the Sikh riots. Terrible periods in Indian history. Very divisive as well. But then when you look back in that decade, of course, those are events that stand out. But your general outlook might have been that, oh, yeah, it's a very favorable time. And then that can affect the tone of the film you make in that period, right? While someone else might make it very differently.
Yeah. So I agree. And you know what happened was that, again, see what happens is, आप जब एक फिल्म में सब चीज करना चाहते हैं ना, तब फंस जाते हैं. वो भी प्रॉब्लम था कि आपको इसमें रोमांस भी डालना है, और आप इसको पैथोस भी डालना है, और आपको इसमें स्कूल का इशू भी डालना है, और आपको इसमें पेरेंट चाइल्ड गैप भी डालना है. तो कभी कभार ना वही हो जाता है कि आप बहुत सारी चीजें करना चाहते हैं विद द सेम थिंग, एंड दैट बिकम्स योर प्रॉब्लम. सो अगेन, यू नो, ट्राई पुट योर फिल्म ऑन अ डाइट. है ना, डोंट ट्राई टू मेक इट इनटू 5 कोर्स बूफे, 3 गाने, 4 ये, 1 फाइट. एंड यू नो, ये सब पुराने ट्रोप्स थे यार. ये सब हम लोगों ने सीखा होता था.
फ्राइडे रिलीज कैसी होगी,
फ्राइडे तो ये ना कि भाई फ्राइडे पहले रिलीज तो हो. उसी में लोग फंस जाते हैं कि बस फ्राइडे. एंड सी, लुक एट व्हाट्स हैपेंड. नेटफ्लिक्स हैज कंप्लीटली ब्रोकन दैट. The fact that cinemas have not opened for almost a year plus or whatever, I think, are people going back to cinema halls only for spectacles? They will only go for that mega film that they want to spend that money on. Everything else, habit तोड़ने में इतना 1.5 साल में habit टूट जाती है. अब आप घर पे देखना चाहते हो यार, भाई पॉज कर दो, बाथरूम में आए, चाय बना लेते हैं, बच्चों को भी देख लेते हैं, अगला गाना नहीं पसंद आ रहा स्किप कर दो, अगला वाला बगल में मोबाइल पे बात नहीं कर रहा है. You've changed a social institution that existed for so many years. Spielberg and Lucas were in a conversation at UCLA, and they said this. They said people will come to the personal screen for intimate movies, and they will go to cinemas only to watch spectacles. And I totally agree. You know, I went to see Mortal Kombat because my son and I used to play it as a video game. Loved it because it was this big screen experience. वो लड़ाई भी हो रही थी और ये भी हो रहा था. वो छोटे पे देखता था, मेरे को पसंद नहीं आती. You know, I'm dying to see the new Bond film in that manner because these are the ways that you want to indulge yourself.
Sanjay Leela Bhansali's movies deserve to
Sanjay
be.
Leela Bhansali, my God, that shot of Aishwarya running with the sari behind, or I mean, any shot from Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam, any shot from even he's a director of of largesse. Everything is large, right? गाना भी बड़ा है, emotion भी बड़ा है, shot भी बड़ा है. ना वो तो आदमी तो अलग है, मानना पड़ेगा.